What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's about 6 a.m. right now. Kimmy, JC and I are jumping in the X3M. We're heading over to Tampa, meeting up with a bunch of Porsches and other supercars. Alright, so we're heading up to Lady Lake, Florida. We're heading up to Obsessed Garage's open house. He's letting everybody come up, check out his cars. He's got a couple of cars that he's built, and then he also has a facility where he does detailing. So we're gonna go check all that out. But first, we're meeting up with about 20-30 Porsches, some various other supercars, and we're gonna ride up there together. We got an hour-and-a-half drive with them. Alright guys, we're over at Matt Moorman's place, Obsessed Garage. He's got a pretty good turnout. We got about, I don't know, 50, 60 cars here. We filled up this whole lot, and there's a lot over there as well. I'll show you guys around his garage, and then he's also using the shuttle right there, taking small groups of us over to his main, his house, and showing us the garage and all his cars there. Fun. All right, so he's got half his cars over at his house, and he's got the other half here at the warehouse. So it's like a Gt3 RS. Woohoo! Dang! Look at that interior. Love the green. Ooh, right next to that, got a.
Sorry.
You like the white one better? What, with the green? Because of the green seats, or what?
Yeah, the green stitching.
It does look good. Then he's got the GT4 here. Woo, in blue. I think it's pretty. Ooh, it's a manual too. I've never driven a manual Porsche. You need to knock that off the bucket list one of these days. Dude, that looks bad. Love these wheels. And then what, this is the E46? This is Dylan's car over here. A little bit better shape than Dylan's, huh?
He didn't say that, Dylan.
Dylan, you gotta detail your car, man. It'll look like this one day. It's a pretty sweet car. We got a Tesla. He's got a Model 3 over here. Whew. Clean, very minimalistic. Guess it's the performance because it's got the wing on the back, I assume. It's really good. I think you put those are the S wheels on here. That's a really good fitment. It's really good. Yo, check out this blue. This is like a wrapped blue Gt3 RS. Dang. thing looks so sweet. They even did the interior to match. It's pretty cool. Jeez. Guys, I think we gotta get one of these in the garage one day. Frankie's turned me on to these. They're so freaking expensive. 200 grand used. Ugh. All right, now we're inside the Obsessed Garage store. You get all your detail supplies, merch, and whatnot. Holy moly. What is all this stuff? All right, guys, we just got to Matt Moorman's house. We're gonna go check it out. What's up, dude? What's up, man? How you been? Good. Dude, look at this backyard. Just, is that a golf course or?
The golf course was on the way in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, fire pit there. Oh my God, look at this refrigerator. Holy cow. Holy cow, Matt.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, it's my food. It looks like my food. Holy moly, is a big ass.
Let's see how more Matt eats. Let's see.
Yeah. What does he like to eat?
There's no crust on these lids. This is perfect. There's no look.
No crust on them?
He is obsessed, man.
That's awesome. All right, so the garage, that's what we're gonna, oof. You guys ready to see the garage? Here we go. Oh, what's up, puppy? Alright, got the BMW M3 here. This is pretty cool. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, that makes life a little convenient. Just goes right into the hole, and it seals it to make it look like nothing's there. That's pretty cool. That's fancy. Oh, that's fancy. You go, bro? Let's go. Little spray foam action up top. Fancy, fancy.
I want this.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Biggest.
You need a 75mm wrench? Oh, that's too small? Okay.
There's bigger? Wait, there's a bigger one.
Here, I got an 80.
No freaking way.
What is that for?
I think it's bigger than your leg.
Plug nut on a, I don't know, a tank.
That's pretty cool. Guys, we need to step it up, huh?
Yeah,
Is this the Obsessed Garage Doggy? What's your name, buddy? What's your name? You're a sweet dog. Special thanks to Matt and his family for letting us come out, check out the facility, and check out his house. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see y'all next time.
Alright, so this is Matt's camera. I'm gonna say hi. Hey Matt, it's me, Caleb. This is Matt's camera.
Hey, Matt's camera. This is Frank.
Hey, Matt's camera.
Hi Matt, how you doing?